Introducing the 2018 Volkswagen Golf Highline. 1.6 TDI M5F 115 HP 5-door in sleek grey. This estate vehicle is the epitome of comfort and style, with features such as air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone and rear armrest. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision alert. The chrome package, privacy glass and roof rails add a touch of sophistication. With a powerful 1.6-litre engine and manual transmission, this Golf delivers a smooth and efficient driving experience. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us today or visit our website michaelmoore.ie for more details on the 2018 Volkswagen Golf Highline.